How's it going, guys? Today's very exciting update on my Chevy Tahoe PPV 2016. I was finally able to fix the sound. When I got this car, I had absolutely nothing coming out of the radio. The turn signal's clicking sound wasn't there, and there was no beeping sound from the parking sensors. And after doing some research, it turned out to be fairly simple and easy fix. At the factory, they run this wire loop from the speakers in the doors to this area under the center console for the upfitters to be able to hook up the radios. In my case, it's these two gray connectors that were left unplugged after all of the police equipment was removed and the car went up for sale. And for the reference, both of these connectors got solid blue, yellow, green, and white wires on one side, and blue, green, yellow, and orange with the stripes on the other side. We're gonna simply connect these two. And now check this out. My sound is back. The turn signal clicker is back as well. All right, I hope this video is going to be helpful for some of you out there with the same problem. Next, I'm going to be installing a jump seat over here in the middle. Stay tuned for that. Also, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to be doing more repair videos on this Chevy Tahoe PPV. And I think that's it for today. Don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you. Have a nice day.